Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily make Google Chrome more secure in just 2 minutes. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to make Google Chrome more secure very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, open your Google Chrome and tap on this three dot icon which is located in the top right corner. And here scroll down and tap on the settings which is located in the bottom right corner, and this type of interface will be shown. And here tap on the privacy and security and scroll down, and here in the section of privacy and security you'll see the option of security. Tap on that, and here in the section of safe browsing you have to choose enhanced protection instead of standard protections and no protections, and scroll down. And here in the section of advanced, you make sure that your use secure DNS is turned on. And you can also select your DNS provider by tapping on this icon and select any DNS provider as you like. And after this, tap on the About Chrome, which is located in the left corner, and it will automatically update your Google Chrome into the latest versions. So this is how you can make Google Chrome more secure in just 2 minutes. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.